Smile into the camera. Do this. Alright, so we're starting up from Mariposa. come. How are you doing?
I am okay, and I am very lost.
Oh, you are?
How far is 140? A little ways up,
Yeah.
so I'll hit it soon.
I would say, I don't know, 15, 20 miles?
Okay. Okay. I've been doing okay here. Is the road get really bad in any places up here?
Yeah, it's gonna be like a steep down slope. It's gonna kind of like switch backs. So you're gonna go straight, and then there is like a basically Merced River, and you're gonna go switch backs down, and that part is rutted.
It's pretty.
If you were on this bike, do you think you could do it?
You could do it, but you're at risk of dropping it. You know?
Oh, I mean, you're gonna work for it.
You're going that way. Do you mind if I follow you guys? I've been feeling a little paranoid being by myself.
Yeah.
Sure.
And at least this will get me somewhere back to.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We're gonna go past 120, if that, you know, it's a big road.
Oh, I know 120.
What does it mean?
Just wait till it turns around. Yeah, okay.
Well, then we go here. Your Garmin is better. It knows this is a private road, but I think we should go. Oh.
You okay? I'm fine. I took it with you sometimes. I think you're an expert also with really picking up GSs, right?
No, I have an R1150R rock, which never leaves the pavement because I don't want to be like this.
Take that. It's just basically I have this muscle, so if we have,
that's fine, we'll get it up.
if one person on each tire and one lift, who's the strong? I can't lift very good.
That's fine, I'll pick it up.
Do you want to do the monkey? You know, when the one person is hanging on as a monkey, like here.
You can hang here and here, and I can have the handlebars. 1, 2, 3.
Easy peasy.
Yes, the 3 people.
That's
Wait,
the
Let us come all the way back here just for that.
That's the monkey.
Got a little bit of fluid here.
Well,
hold it right there for a minute. Hold it right there. You know what? Let's roll forward. We got it.
Yeah, well, we got it. What happened?
I was not paying attention sufficiently right after we get started.
Ah, okay. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Do that. That'll fall over. You're done for the day, right? You know, that's why I don't want to lay mine down. Cause
Well, I mean,
you are absolutely correct.
You could have still installed the crash bars.
yeah, but they don't even work. I mean, the bike's so heavy, it'll just bend. I mean, it'll help, but you know, you have a good whack. There's plenty of photos on the internet of full punch, through the crash bar kind of thing.
Uh-huh.
And looks like you busted your protective.
Yeah, that's just plastic.
Yeah, that's just plastic. There's a junction, and our GPS is saying go left, but that road is closed. So
I've
we're
been
going
on
to
that
go
road.
right.
I was just on it this morning.
The closed one?
Yes, you will go down. It is in fact closed at a bridge. It's fun riding to it, but it is closed.
Okay, so
Okay.
I think we'll just go the other way. If we go the other way, that'll put us back out on the highway, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I tried that road. I was trying to get to this, and I misread everything. But my day's doing one. It's 1 o'clock. So at 1:20, you guys are going left or right?
Right. We're going up to the gate.
I'm not going to the gate. I've been there enough times.
Sure.
I'm going back the other way.
Ramen okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, ramen soup?
I mean, I could survive till dinner time if I need to. It's just like,
No, you don't need to.
if we pass a gas station and they sell sandwiches, I'll buy a sandwich. That's all.
Oh, you don't want a soup?
I'll have a soup if you've got a spare. Yeah, but thank you. That'd be great.
Yeah, the 120 is probably behind that ridge somewhere,
Yeah.
I'm guessing. Yeah, good call. Yeah, I thought David just took we passed this gate and there was another road
Yeah.
forking off, and I thought he maybe went on that road. Whoa! Are you gonna go all Jimmy Lewis on me?
Did you bring your camera? This is worth a photo.
Yeah, I'm rolling.
So, if we were hardcore KTM riders, we'd force our bikes up the side there, but I don't know. Bit aggressive.
By the way, we can set up camp right here. We have a creek, we have a beautiful view.
Yeah, we also have like a major area of landslip. Do you really want to be in the middle of this?
But it's fine, yeah. Up to you. If you don't feel comfortable, we can go back to that camp.
I don't. Yeah, I think it's probably okay. I mean,
That's it.